Understanding the phrase, brown as a berry, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, brown as a berry. This idiom is quite interesting and has a vivid imagery that adds flair to the English language. So, let's dive in and learn about this unique expression. The phrase, brown as a berry, is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who has a very tanned or darkened skin, usually due to sun exposure. The comparison to a berry suggests a natural, deep, and even tan. It's often used in a light-hearted or humorous context. This idiom is a great example of English's colorful language, filled with comparisons and metaphors. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in comprehending their usage. The phrase, brown as a berry, is believed to originate from a time when berries, especially ones like ripe blackberries or raspberries, were synonymous with a deep, rich brown or reddish-brown color. This idiom has been in use for several centuries, showcasing the enduring nature of such expressions in the English language. Using idioms correctly can be a challenge, but with practice, it becomes easier. You might use brown as a berry to describe someone after they return from a sunny vacation or a day at the beach. For example, after a week in Hawaii, Mia came back looking brown as a berry. Remember, the phrase is often used playfully and is not meant to be taken too seriously. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, brown as a berry. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a bit of fun to your English language learning journey. Remember, idioms like this one are a great way to make your conversation more vivid and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.